morning. Welcome to the Yellow Room where Miss Payne, myself, and Mrs. Hughes are the teachers. This is our library area. This is a quiet zone area where the children know they can come sit, read, do a floor puzzle off the shelf. 2 children are allowed in this area. As well as we have our art shelf and easel right here. The children are allowed to get it. Anything they want, come to the table, draw, dab, decorate, as well as the art easel where we have paint on one side, dabbers and drawing on the other side. Inside the classroom, you will see right now Mrs. Hughes and the children are social distance eating breakfast. This is Mrs. Hughes and our children. We have our writing area. The children can practice writing. They sign in their name daily. They sign in with their letters of the month, their names, and practice writing daily.
That sounds like fun.
Also, if you
And
follow
when you
me,
press the button, what happens?
in the morning we have manipulatives, toys out on the table where the children can play as we minimize material and they social distance out. Our computer area, we have one child for now due to COVID allowed to sit in the computer area and play.
Oh, wow.
We are,
So exciting.
our programs are ABC Mouse. We have different educational programs where the children can play
You
online.
finished your milk?
We have our cozy area where the children, if they're feeling sad or if they just want to come there and sit and read, they can come to the cozy area.
Did you taste that?
Right here is our music area. The children can grab instruments, dance with scarves. We have our table toys and manipulatives right here. Children can grab it, come to the table or the carpet. Our block area where they can grab our wooden blocks, people, toys, airplanes, balls, animals. This is our display that shows what are we studying for the month. We were studying exercise. As you can see, we have pictures, we have books, different things about exercise that the children can get. Right here is our dramatic play area where the children can come over. Things been minimized due to COVID, so we took a lot of things that they can put in their mouth. We talked to our children about what's going on and discuss to them about germs. This is our dramatic play once again, where the children can dress up, pretend play, cook, clean. Our next area is our science area. 2 children are allowed in this area. That's why it's 2 chairs and a table. They can grab dinosaurs, different insects, animals. We have more floor puzzles over here, magnetics. And we also have more floor things. We have our gears, puzzles, board games where the children can grab things. This is our book bin. They can sit on the carpet and read during transitional periods any time out of the day. You'll see books and bins in different areas where they can draw and they can dibble. And this is the yellow room, once again, where Mrs. Hughes and Miss Payne are the teachers at Little Hands Child Creative Center, where we are educating your children daily. Thank you for your time.